Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export a Roblox Studio rig character so you can use it in Blender or Maya for custom modeling or animation. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new experience. You can use any baseplate or template you like. Next, go to the Avatar tab at the top of the screen, click the Character Rig Builder button, and choose the Block Rig option. This will insert a basic Roblox character into your workspace. In the Explorer panel, find your rig model, expand it, select the head, and remove the face image inside. This step makes sure the texture won't cause issues when exporting. Now, right-click on the entire rig model and choose Export Selection. Save the file as an OBJ format wherever you like. This will export the 3D model and textures for use outside Roblox Studio. Finally, open Blender or Maya and import the OBJ file you just exported. Now you can customize, rig, animate, or redesign your Roblox character however you like. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Roblox Studio rig character into Blender or Maya. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below for more Roblox and 3D tutorials.